We chose the B because it represents teamwork.
We chose an art palette because it shows the creativity. We chose the purple color because it's unique. And this is our logo.
In unity we create, with determination we elevate.
Like this. And then here.
Down. Down.
Oh yes! Here you go.
Yes, try like this. Yes. No, you need to put straight. Nice. You need to put it down again. The same one.
Yes.
From here. Down. And then you try it like this. If it doesn't match, then it's tight. Da, ajde.
Go.
Write it down so you don't write it down.
No,
Yeah.
but wait. What is it again, sir?
Do it again.
Dot is this? And
Yeah. Dot line.
Okay. Do it again.
Dot line.
Dot.
Dot. Okay, this one letter.
L. L?
Yes.
L. Yeah, two lines complete.
Dot line.
To je to.
That's it. Try to find the name.
Your name is N. Very good. Iza, a druga mora biti ista. I like her. Da, iz jedne iz jedne. Kada se spod ovako. Da. I sad se s desnom rukom uzma lijevi, a sa lijevom rukom
Da, samo suprotno kraja, da, i povučite. Lagano. Lako preko. Je.
Ovo ti je hvala.